All right. Clap. Got it. Claps. I got the claps. All right. What's up, YouTube? So, got this guy came in today. He went to the Apple store and guess why? His iPhone X was boot looping. Just like the other two iPhone X's that I got in that came from the Apple store. So this was a little different though because the Apple employee told him that it could be repaired, but they can't do it there for whatever reason. That thing is gonna break eventually. So what's going on with it? Front-facing camera flex. So as soon as I open up the phone, you can see that the front-facing camera flex, or sorry, the front earpiece flex, right? Because I don't want to get destroyed in the YouTube comments. The front earpiece flex is water damaged. Same thing as the other two that I got before this, where Apple said it wasn't repairable, they couldn't do anything, and then they say to come to a third-party shop. The irony is that a third-party shop can't replace this part because it is paired to the motherboard, and Apple doesn't give us the software to reprogram it after it's been paired. So it's kind of ironic that Apple would say, oh, go to a third-party shop, they can fix it. No, we can't, because you don't let us fix it. Again, just to show you the issue, I'm gonna plug it in. Phone's off right now. Off. Phone's off. Phone's off. All right, plug it in. We're gonna pull some amps, right? And it's gonna show the Apple logo, and then it's gonna shut off, show the Apple logo again, repeat. You know the deal. You guys are veterans at this point. All right, so what do? We turn off the cell phone. So, take off the screws. Again, you've seen me do this before.
Every day of my life, it's all I do. I don't give a fuck.
All right, battery, I'm gonna unplug it. Unplug the front-facing camera flex. Plug the battery back in. Plug this back in because I'm too lazy to press and hold the power button. And the phone is going to boot normally. All right, so you can see phone's booted. It works. It's here. But of course, it says unable to activate Face ID because, you know, Face ID is paired to that stupid little component that's breaking the phone. If you look at the phone, I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but there is slight water damage right there. And the customer told me that his Face ID hasn't worked in a few months. His front camera has been non-functional as well. Again, this component I can't replace because Apple doesn't give me the software to reprogram it. So, that sucks too. Apple will refuse this repair because the phone has exhibited signs of water damage, so they won't even touch it. So, what's the customer to do? What happens? Apple won't touch the phone. We can't repair the phone. Apple authorized shops can't repair the phone. So the phone just goes in the trash. Customer buys a new phone. That's it. Is that right? Is that okay? I'll let you decide. So right now, what I'm going to do, because the customer wanted me to do this, I'm going to replace the earpiece cable so that he can at least hear on phone calls again. Now, I want to show you how much the earpiece cable actually costs. So I'm going to go to my preferred vendor, Andrew Gadgets. I'll at you, boy. Give me some sponsorship. I'm going to go to the iPhone X. And I'm going to go down. Oh, if he wanted to replace the front camera, $5. That's it. But I can't reprogram it. If he wants to replace that earpiece, the speaker right there, $3.55. So this phone is bricked because of parts that add up to less than $10. Because Apple won't let me do things to it. Not naughty things, just any things. Repair things. Lupe likes to do naughty things to phones. That's why he's here. Alright, so this is a 30-second repair. It's 3 screws. A little bit of elbow grease. I don't have big elbows. I am greasy. Alright, so here we go. That's the old one. You can see the old one also looks like it's water damage, which makes sense why it wouldn't work. Ooh, I hope you caught that, huh? I got the grounding bracket on there first try.
Yeah, right.
Yep. That's skill. You guys don't know how hard that is.
No, Jay, someone puked in the fucking lobby.
Why do you open up a store in a Subway, they ask.
Yeah, you saw it? No.
That's it. Now, I'm going to screw in the rest. I know this works because I already did this. Ferociously get paper towels from the dispenser. What? Oh, someone puked?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the little kid puked? So someone vomited.
Mm-hmm.
This is so atrocious that a child vomited while I was making the video. Are you hearing this? This is so the injustice is so palpable that a child threw up while I made this video. Okay, so it's replaced. The earpiece is replaced, and the phone's gonna boot up. It's gonna take a while. It's fucking disgusting. All right, so we can see here. It booted, and I'm in. Face ID, you can't activate Face ID, but at least now the speaker works. So that's what he wanted. His front camera still doesn't work. That's all, folks. So again, it happened, and it's gonna keep happening. I don't know why Apple just won't replace this $3 component. It's ridiculous. Whatever, we need right to repair, etc., etc. Thank you for watching. Try to zoom in. Zoom in.